介绍自己一下。
Good morning, guys. I'm Ying.
I'm Jia Yen.
So today we are going to teach about past year question chapter 3.
About the conservation of linear momentum.
So we are teaching the question from module physics, page 61. So we are looking to the question first.
Looking for the question, we're gonna read the question first. Two object P of mass 7 kilograms, so we can get that this is the mass of P, and Q of mass 5 kilograms, so this is mass of Q with the velocity 6 and 8. So this is velocity P and this is initial velocity Q.
Respectively on a smooth surface as shown in figure 4, the objects collide and combine at C. So they are
Inelastic collisions.
The combined object travel with velocity v. That's their final velocity. So we look to the question A. Determine the velocity. So we are need to separate them into two components, which is x component and y component. We will talk about y component later. So we will move on to the x component first.
So the formula of inelastic momentum is P U x P plus Q U x Q equal P plus Q V x, because it's x component. And we're gonna insert the data UXP 6 plus MQ 5. Since this is since the Q is travel vertically, so it doesn't have Q.
P x component.
No, Q.
Oh, sorry. It's okay.
Okay, so since the Q is travel vertically, it means that it doesn't have horizontal velocity, it doesn't have x velocity, so it's 0, equal to 7 plus 5 Vx. So we find that Vx is equal to 3.5 meter per second. This one calculator sendiri lah. Okay, y component turn.
Now we are going to the y component, so we will do the same steps as the x component. We will use the formula first. Mu plus nu equals to m plus n bracket v, because they are traveling together in the same velocity, so we have the common v.
Yes. So insert the same data, but only different thing is P travel horizontally means it doesn't have y-axis velocity, so it's 0. But now Q has the vertical velocity, so it's 8, equal to something as well. Vy equal 3.33 meter per second. Sendiri calculator again.
Yeah, guys, fun fact, unit is very important.
Yes. And then
because the question asks for velocity, so we still need to calculate the resultant of velocity.
do the same thing as the chapter 1. Vx square plus Vy square equals to 3.5 square plus 3.33 square, 4.83 meter per second.
After that, we'll calculate the angle.
Yes, also using the
same formula as chapter 1.
using the formula and insert the data. Everything is the same. Okay, and the last step is drawing the graph Vx to show which quadrant them. Okay, done. That's all.
Yay. All for A. So we next we'll move on to B questions. B question asks us to show the collision is inelastic. So how do we show the collision is inelastic?
The kinetic energy before collision is different with the kinetic energy after collision. So this is what we call inelastic. So to show that the collision is inelastic, we're gonna calculate the kinetic energy before collision, which is this symbol, 1 per mv square p e 1 per mq. It's okay, same thing. So because got two items, so two kinetic energy formula, and just put it the data. Calculate. Still calculated yourself.
Yay! So next we'll go to the kinetic energy after collision.
Energy collision. So this is F, which is mean final. So 1 per mp plus mqv. So the data 7 plus 5. The answer from A. Ooh.
And v squared.
Oh yeah, v squared. Sorry. So the answer is 140 joule.
Yeah. Yay!
And as you can see that this kinetic energy and this kinetic energy is different. So we get the conclusion. This is inelastic collision because the kinetic energy before collision and after collision is different. Okay, that's all.
Bye bye.